If you want to hide apps on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is you can go to the security app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. Once you go to the security app, you might be able to find the hide apps feature in common features, but if not, then you can scroll all the way down and then swipe up, and then in here we can find hide apps option as well. So you can go over here, and in my case I have this option already set up. You will have like a little introduction, but essentially in here you can tap on any of these apps, actually on the switcher, in order to hide the specific app. So let's say I'm gonna hide Facebook and let's say the, I don't know, like the recorder, for example, and Spotify. And afterwards, in order to access these hidden apps, you need to spread two fingers apart on the home screen like this. And there we go. Now we have our hidden apps over here. We can add hidden apps, more hidden apps, I mean, by tapping on this add button. We can also enable the app lock for this hidden apps section, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.